Today I'm going to show you how to use the ink to shape in OneNote. Alright, so to use ink to shape, what we're going to go ahead and do here is click on draw, and you are going to choose the drawing tool that you would prefer. I'm going to use this fountain pen over here, and you will see now, for example, let's say I want to draw a circle. That's a really bad example of a circle. But if you go up over here and click on automatic shapes, this automatically will refine your hand-drawn shapes. So when you draw, make sure that it's on. Now, if I draw a circle, it'll automatically turn it into a circle. Let's say I want to draw a rectangle. It'll automatically turn it into a rectangle. Let's say that I want to draw something else. Let's say I want to draw, let's just redo that. So let's say I want to draw, I don't know what shape this is, but you get it. Whatever you are going to draw, it's going to put it into the exact shape for you.